Model, 68 plate man Tge 3.140 chassis cab fridge van drives spares or repairs needs gearbox. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 177,500. MOT, the 19th of April 2025. Engine, 1968 cc DASB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox pops out of 5th and 6th and the power steering will need looking at. Nice easy job for the right person. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads